This morning, me get to hear from the show say, me name the over YouTube. Yeah? Somebody say, me send a picture one cacao give them. You understand? When me did on my live yesterday, me say everybody, vlogger, bugu, whoever you is, if you talk about me, I'm gonna send you gonna send them a picture of my cacao. Right? And last night, me come out of the shower, me beard and me clean out my cacao and take a picture, send go give them. Since you don't have a batty problem, you no look up in my batty wall. I me no care. I don't give a flying frig. You understand? Me no care. Since all of you have a batty problem with me, all of you are going to look up in my cacao. Whether you want to take the picture and export it, me want all of you on the plans to look up in it. You don't have to talk about it. You have to post it. You have to post it. So all of you are your bad mind followers them when you like me for me body when me spend my money pan for God do. To look up in my daylight and my morning star. Me want it. Me want you to put it out there. So yesterday when I come out for the live, my beard and I did the bend over in the camera and clean out my body wall. I open up my body wall wide and take a picture. I send it, go get the culprit them. We have a problem with my bottom. Now, me not care if nobody no want say me not have no pride. If you don't want to talk, say me not have no pride. That's a cool business. You understand? I don't care what no want say. You could have talk from that kingdom come. Oh, Lesha no have no pride. What kind of sitting that she gonna do? Why would you send that to somebody's phone? Why would they be trolling me about my bottom? Since you don't have a body problem, me I go bend down. Me I go get one scandal bag or a paper bag and hold the camera. Since you don't have a problem, them claim to say I'm a woman body wall. Me send because me have woman. Me not have no woman. Understand? Me not have no woman. But whatever you want to say, you could have testify a little more. It serve you right. The first person me send it to is Miss Big Deal. When he wake up this morning, when he wake up this morning, I up me message. I straight up in my body while I look. When he wake up this morning, I look. But if phone I up my WhatsApp, I straight. I me make sure I use my phone number and send it to me not hide. When he wake up this morning, I up me message. I straight up in my body while I look. Good for you, your backside, you. I tell you to tap, leave me alone, leave my bottom alone. Leave my bottom alone. My bottom not trouble none of uno. And anyone more uno vlogger. Any which one of uno vlogger me here, depend uno page, I talk about my bottom. Me go take a special every time. Me go make sure I take different angles. Me say I nearly dead with laugh. Me get a phone call and say, Lesha, why you do it? Why? You say, Lesha, why you do it? As in wake up this morning. I open up a message right in the future. I look up. You get a 3D view random in your face. And anybody else, I get the message. I'll tell girl me send it to. So no voice record that. And too she afraid to come out and talk. Say she take a good look up in her future too. She get one too. That end all argument. Argument done. If you no come out and still call my name and I talk about my body, you no crazy. You no crazy. Argument done. There's nothing else. Figure the talk about. The argument close. It's all fun and joke to me. I will not take things serious. I not take nothing serious. Go and burn a bed. Up close and personal, my love. Zoom in. And a fire picture right up in my bottle. I make sure you see the whole bottle in the picture. All my finger them, my short finger them. If you know what finger look like, remember you can match up your finger them. Can me make sure put my hand in that picture, you know. The same bleach out finger them. Yeah, me know the finger might not match the body hole. But if you look on the picture good, I my short finger them in that picture. Me make sure I not put my face in there. Me make sure I put my finger, my short finger. Wanna love talk about, so you can make sure that is a perfect match. Alright? Cause you know my finger them look like on the keep and I talk about it. So me make sure I put my match them up. See if they hand them, yeah? Match them up. Never hand, never tell a lie. But it's all fun and joke and entertainment at the end of the day. You stop take social media so serious. Social media is never that social serious. Listen, one life we get to live. Laugh and be merry, eat good food, and live your life. And honestly and truly, I know that I don't want nobody to look at me different. I'm not talking if you don't look for me or no one look for me. If you don't want to look for me different for what me do, you can look for me different. But at least me I come out and I tell my viewers them what I did. You understand? So if you don't want to look for me different, you don't look for me different. But I don't take nothing serious. Trying to make me mad is gonna make you go crazy. If you're gonna go insane. I take everything for your joke. Me just get tired of them. Me just get sick and tired of them. From me do my bottom from how much months now, still every talk on the talk about our body. So now me gonna something for talk about. No me get Curly. After you sit all the way up in my body wall, you still gonna sit down on your life and talk about my body? Mighty gosh. That is a sight to be seen between you and T-Lady. If you sit down on phone live and talk about my bottom, after me couldn't look up in the future, you wicked to yourself. You gonna get nightmares when me done with Uno. A nightmare. Right now, I want to go on the bed tonight and I go picture my body wall in no mind. My body wall I go live rent free now no brain. You don't have to take no sides. You don't have to take no sides. If you watch that person because they make you laugh, just laugh no. Just laugh. Stop. I feel like some of you viewers don't stress out to yourself too much. But people who I just post content for make money on YouTube also. Mighty God, them see up in a, no, me use editing and me crop out the pony part. Me use marker, the one green marker edit, and me mark out my pony. So I just the body part, me sure. So yeah, stop. Some of the viewers take up things in our head too much. Calm down, man. It's never that serious. Sit down on social media, I hate. Me not really hate none of them. Me just use them name to make laugh and fun and joke. Me not hate. Because even Big Deal, Big Whopper, she. Me not hate Big Whopper. Right now, Big Whopper, I want your gala. Right, this morning, me I tell my friend. Say, I want the gala to be successful so you can share me. Walla with panya. I want you share me. If you can, you go support the woman and go buy a gala ticket. And make people on social media share me. Me want you share me. Me want your event be so big, and I say that as a genuine because again, never in life, no matter how much you might talk about me or you hate me, I don't pray on nobody's downfall. Me not pray for nobody downfall. Period. How me fi do that? Me can't do that. I would never. Me don't know if when uno sit down on social media, I will not cry, I pray upon people don't fall if uno mean it. But I wouldn't do it. I don't want that karma. Me want you to put everybody to shame. But yeah, it's fun. I want you to put it all out to shame. I want your event to be so big that a whole of the vlogger them, everybody, where talk say your event are gonna flop. I want you to put everybody to shame. That everybody have to look and say, look how we there say your event are gonna flop. Bad to bad. And it blow up big. Just continue do your little vlog them. But come on now. I want you to talk about something else other than my bottom. You understand? And, you know, sending you a picture of my anus was probably very disrespectful, but I meant it in a disrespectful way. Me tired of it. You understand? Me tired of it. Talk about something else.